Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 11s, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which device comes. So the first thing that was sure our Redmi device. Here we got the new USB Type-C cable. The third thing that is the original XIAOMI charger brick. And here in this paper box we got the SIM jack tool, so the quick guides, the quick start guides, some warranty cards, the more paperwork, and also we got here the silicone protective case to our device. So that's it. There are the all of box accessories with which our device comes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.